Hi, my name is Dr. Natalie Lopez. For this week's Stretch of the Week, we're going to be focusing on the hamstrings. So I would grab either a belt or a really heavy duty band, or you can even use like a big scarf or anything that you have that's going to be very high, like very minimal resistance to. So for this stretch, you're going to lay on your back. You're going to have looped around kind of just right at the ball of your feet before your toes. You're going to be stretching your hamstrings as far as you feel comfortable, and then you're going to be pushing down for about 10 seconds, and then relaxing, letting that foot bend towards you a little bit, and then you're going to come forward as you can, pushing down, getting some resistance training through here. Light stretch, bringing that toes towards you as you stretch the hamstring. Make sure the knee is relatively like straight, but it doesn't have to be locked out. Press again, holding it for 10 seconds. And then relaxing the foot as you bring it towards you. Nice passive stretch here. So I would aim to do about 6 repetitions of this, both sides obviously, and then just kind of go from where you are. If you're bending your knee and pulling towards, you're really not getting as much of a stretch in the hamstring. So if you're over here, that's okay. Just kind of start where you are, pressing away as you're kind of taking that, what we call PNF, so peripheral neuromuscular facilitation. So you're going to be pressing down, pushing down as much as you can at the opposite, and then coming to stretch towards yourself, just so you can kind of get a little bit more of a passive stretch through here. All right, so try that out and see how it goes.